Going on YouTube? RockChalk14 here. I'm gonna bring a box break to you. 2010 triple threads. This will likely be the last box I bust. Before I do, of triple threads. Before I do, show you a couple of cards I got in the mail the other day. One is the redemption from Topps Platinum, Joe McKnight, number 278/800, rookie patch auto. It's all white. My set is meant to be non-all white, so I will be looking for another one. Probably just go on eBay if anybody has a excuse me, a Joe McKnight rookie patch auto that's not all white that they'd be willing to trade or sell to me. I will be out there for it in the markets. The next card just came from eBay yesterday. It's Colt McCoy, number 26/200, two color, brown and white. I tell you, these cards have been pretty hard to come by on eBay. This particular guy, at least I haven't looked since I bought this card, but before then, you're pretty hard pressed to find one that wasn't going for way more than it was worth, and most of those were all white as it was. So I felt pretty fortunate to grab that. So for that set, for the rookie patch autos, all I need is Sam Bradford, and that's it. I plan on selling that Tebow here soon. I've received a few offers I need to address, and I'll likely end up using whatever proceeds I get from the Tebow. I'll probably definitely use some of that to fund the Bradford, and then I don't know what I'll do with the rest. But anyways, enough about that. I'll probably end up, after I make this box break video, make a video of for trade, for sale, anything like that. So here we go. 2010 Topps triple threads. This would be number 93. There it is. Let's get bustin'. Alright. Hope everyone had a great week. This is my first full week back to work after the break. Open her up. Got our two mini packs. Alright, let's go ahead and start mini pack 1. Had some good luck with this product. Hopefully we keep it going. Alright, here we go. First pack. Alright, well, I see a Jared Allen base on the back. Gotta be a good sign here. Let's put... I have a dummy card somewhere. 1 second. Okay. Put a dummy card on the back so I do not see the hit. That. Alright, numbered 42/499, Wes Welker. Numbered 323/499, Jared Allen. Regular base out of 1350, Anquan Boldin. Out of 1350, Matthew Stafford. Out of 1350, Drew Brees. And the hit is, let's see which way it's going. It's going to be this way. Out of 18, speak of the devil, it says Knight Rider. 14/18, Joe McKnight. All right. That's pack 1. Let's get going right into pack 2. That one will have the autograph in it. Here we go. Hope for something sick. Alright. Pack number 2. Here it is. I see a booklet in here. Any kind of Vikings would be nice. Not a booklet. Goes to the front. The dummy on back. Here we go. Out of $4.99, Roddy White. Numbered 4 of $2.99, Chad Ochocinco. Out of $13.50, Matt Ryan. Out of $13.50, Randy Moss. And out of $13.50, Miles Austin. And let's see which way it's going. Oh, just saw the name. Anthony McCoy. Bound to have a bad box one of these times. 38 of 70. Triple jersey auto of Anthony McCoy. Yeah, there he is. So the recap, we got Anthony McCoy and Joe McKnight. Pretty crappy box, but you know what? I can't really complain because of the luck I've had up to this point. I guess that's probably a sign that I should not buy any more triple threads. I've exhausted my luck. All right. Thanks for watching my box break. I'll go ahead and put up some for trade for sale video here in a little bit of some different things that I probably will not be hanging on to. I might make that tomorrow. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.